Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to tag another profile on your TikTok video. It's a very easy thing to do. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. To do this, you add a new video. You click on the plus sign. Shoot the video you want or add a ready-made video. I'm making a simple video. Once we've made a video, we click on the button, Add Sticker. And here we can add a profile sticker. We select any profile we want. We pin it anywhere in our video. And we publish this video to TikTok. Now when you click on this sticker, others will be taken to the specified profile. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.